Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study again about changing materials. All right. Okay, so welcome to our online class in science. We are going to study today about making materials and objects change. Number one, we have folding. You can fold a paper in many ways, just like this. Paper changes shape when folded, just like when you make a paper bag. You can also fold to make a paper fish. And also, you can fold to make a paper dog. And also with a paper cat. Number two is by cutting. By cutting papers, we can form or create many object designs. Paper changes shape when cut, just like this. You can cut flowers with many designs, with different colors. And this one too, you can cut the papers to make many different objects. Another one is by twisting. There. Not only paper can be twisted. So paper changes its shape if twisted, just like this. And another one is by pressing, by the use of your hands or fingers or a rolling pin. You can also form many objects just like flowers, animals, candles, by pressing with your hands or your fingers or using a rolling pin. And the last one is by bending. Wires change shape when bent. But not only for the wires, the metals, but also with wood, plastic. They can be bent also. They can be bended too, just like in the picture that you can see. Okay, so those are the ways on how to make materials and objects change. Okay, so let's wrap up. Okay, making materials and objects change is by cutting. We can use a scissor to cut a paper or a plastic. Next is by folding. Next one is by twisting and by bending. And the last one is by pressing. So these are the ways on how to make materials and objects change. Thank you very much for listening and watching. So this is now the end of our lesson about making materials and object change. Thank you very much, kids.